Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. All right, today we are going to be looking at the Orly Color Pass for Spring 2020. And before we get too far into it, I'm wearing Ethereal Plain by Orly on my nails. And in the box, we have this Feel the Beat card. It's the name of the collection that is in here, and tons of pink paper. Yep, everything that's in there. Yep, tons of pink paper. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. Looks like we're getting a polish, an extra polish, and some cream, and the 6 polishes in the collection. All right, this is Barefoot Essentials Sigh of Relief, and it is basically just, it's like one of those creams that you rub on if you have anything sore on your body, if your back is sore or whatever. It really smells like mentholatum. It looks funky. It's kind of a jelly consistency. And it's supposed to be warming cream, but I don't know. Didn't really feel like it was warming anything on my hand, but that's all right. Maybe if something hurt, I could tell you if it worked or not, but I have no idea. But it rubs right in. All right, next up we have, if I can read today, Point Blanche, which is basically just the French tip, the white French tip from Orly, which is cool, and got all these cool colors. It looks like that's all that's in the box. So I pulled out a few different colors that I thought might go with, or maybe be kind of like these colors. So let's get into it. Might look a little better if we take the shiny part off so that you could maybe see it, you know. All right, here they are. Looks like a pretty nice collection. A lot of purples and a lot of oranges, kind of. Like, yeah, 3 purples and 3 oranges. And I wanted to pull this one, and they don't look alike, but I wanted to show you because this is part of the Birds of Prey Mind Over Mayhem collection, and I just wanted to show you that they're definitely different. And what else did I have? Okay, this is the one that I'm wearing on my nails, and that is it next to the Sweet Thing, and then the purple is what actually prompted me, Lilac You Mean It. But this one is the Ethereal Plain, and as you can see, it's not really similar. It's just that the Ethereal Plain has a purple shimmer running through it, and the uh, Lilac You Mean It has a pink shimmer running through it. So those are all the colors. I don't know if I showed you the glitter. It was Frost Smitten. So, and there is what you get in the box. As I'm trying to throw it all up in there. Yep. Nope. I don't think I showed you. Yeah. That's what you're getting in the box. But I did want to show you real quick this frost smitten with this in the groove polish, because I thought they looked kind of similar in color, but not quite. And I thought maybe that frost smitten would look good over this in the groove polish. In the groove looks a lot darker in person, a little more chocolatey, I guess. But I will be doing a swatch and review on those coming up here real soon, probably today or tomorrow. So if you want to see that, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.